Ever needed to multiply two numbers but had no calculator or phone? Most of us panic, but your brain is a powerful calculator, if you know the right tricks. Math isn't just about tedious worksheets, it's full of patterns and shortcuts, almost like magic tricks. Once you know the secret, what seemed impossible becomes easy. Today, you'll learn a mental math technique that makes multiplying numbers near 100 fast and impressive. Imagine multiplying 96 by 97 in seconds, while others are still searching for their phones. This isn't about being a math person. It's about learning a method and practicing until it's second nature. Every time you solve a problem in your head, you build confidence and see math as a playground, not a chore. Get ready to unlock your mind's calculator and learn a trick you'll want to show off. Here's the trick. Multiplying numbers close to 100 is easy because 100 is a base number in our number system. The method is simple. Find how far each number is from 100. Call it a deficiency, if below, or surplus, if above. Step 1. Use these distances to find the first part of your answer. Step 2. Multiply the distances for the last part. Then, just put the two parts together. Whether your numbers are just below or just above 100, the steps are the same. No long multiplication, no carrying, just a quick calculation. Let's see how this works with a real example. We'll go step by step so you can see how powerful and simple this mental math trick is. Prepare to be amazed by your own brain. Let's multiply 96 by 97 using our new method. First, find the deficiencies. 96 is 4 below 100, 97 is 3 below. Step 1, subtract the other's deficiency from either number. 96 minus 3 is 93. That's the first part of your answer. Step 2, multiply the deficiencies. 4 times 3 is 12. That's the second part. Combine them. 93 and 12 make 9,312. You just did a tough multiplication in your head with one subtraction and one multiplication. This method turns a big problem into two easy steps. Try it with other numbers near 100. You'll be surprised how fast you get. That's the magic of mental math. Now let's try numbers above 100, 103 times 108. Find the surpluses, 3 and 8. Step 1. Add the other's surplus to either number. 103 plus 8 is 111. That's the first part. Step 2. Multiply the surpluses. 3 times 8 is 24. That's the second part. Put them together. 111 and 24 make 11,124. The same method works, just add instead of subtract. You've just multiplied two big numbers in seconds. This trick works for any numbers near 100 above or below. This isn't magic, it's clever math. 96 is 100 minus 4, 97 is 100 minus 3. Multiply them and you're really doing 104x 103. The first step, 96 minus 3, is like finding 100 minus 7, so 93 hundredths. The second step, 4 times 3, is the correction. Add 12. So 9,300 plus 12 is 9,312. For numbers above 100 it's the same, 100 plus 3, x 100 plus 8. Add the surplus, multiply the surpluses, and combine. This trick hides the messy algebra and gives you a simple, repeatable process. You're doing advanced math in your head, easily. What if one number is above and one below 100? Try 104 times 98. 104 is 4 above, 98 is 2 below. Step 1. Subtract the deficiency from the surplus number or add the surplus to the deficiency number. Either way, 104 minus 2 is 102, that's the first part. Step 2. Multiply the surplus and deficiency. 4 times 2 is 8, but since one's above and one's below, it's negative 8. So, 10,200 minus 8 is 10,192. The only twist? Subtract the second part instead of adding. The logic is the same, just watch the sign. Now you can handle any numbers near 100. You've learned a powerful mental math trick for multiplying numbers near 100. The steps are simple. Find the distances. Add or subtract, multiply, and combine. Now practice. Try 95 times 95, or 106 times 107. Start slow, then speed up as you get comfortable. Every time you practice, you're building confidence and making math fun. Show off your new skill to friends and family. The more you explain it, the better you'll get. Math is full of shortcuts and patterns. This is just the beginning. Turn on your mental calculator and start playing.